Alright guys, here I am in Tools of Destruction, and this is the start of my Tools of Destruction glitches.
Alright, Chief. What can we...
So, yeah. Alright, so the first one is on Daytime Fastoon. I found it like a week ago. It's pretty good. And for this one, let's see. Yeah. First thing you gotta do is go over here. This is on an account that I don't know, someone didn't finish. Just made a new account and started it on Fastoon or whatever. But alright. Okay, you get up here, the razor claws out. You start razor clawing on this invisible wall right here, and eventually you'll just start air clawing over there. It's a way to get to the core of Azimuth. So, okay. Normally you can't, on Daytime Fastoon, you can't get up here because, yeah, there's no bridge. So, it's a way to get to the core of Azimuth. And all this back here you usually do when you come back to defeat Tachyon. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm back here, and there's the bridge. There's usually a node right in the middle there, and you turn it and it turns the bridge. And yeah, you can actually get up in that bridge. Show you how. Yeah. So there's actually two bridges. But yeah. So it's a pretty cool one, I guess. And then, whoa, holy crap. Oh my god, look at that. It's a hole right in the middle of the ground. If it wasn't on camera, I'd jump in there and see what happens, but I can't. So right over here is where you defeat Tachyon, or face Tachyon. Usually a vendor right there, and right here's where you face him for, you know, first part, and Crunk and Zephyr and Miss Apogee or whatever is usually up there shooting. Yeah. So it all looks pretty different when it's in the daytime. But yeah. So for the next one, I gotta actually load this. Go to load this. This is one that's already been completed. Just stop before you defeat Tachyon on Nighttime Fastoon. Alright, yeah, so here's a transport, yeah, teleport or whatever. Alright, so go to Nundac Asteroid ring. Alright, so for this one, it's just one day I was just messing around here. I didn't feel like going through the level, so I was kind of glitching around. So first you gotta teleport to Cannon Delta. Okay. And then, yeah, this Rhino isn't upgraded that much, but alright. So, yeah, down there, went the wrong way. Sorry about that. Gotta face that guy right now. Alright. So, right here on this pad thing right there, yeah. Right down there is the Apogee space station. Right there's the platform. So I'm standing up here, I'm like, is there a way to get down there? So I'm like, what the heck? Yeah. Air claw down here. Ooh, man. You will lose health, by the way. Not that much. See? And oh crap. And there you go, you're at the space station. It's really just easier just to go in the transport and you don't lose any health, but what the heck. Death abuse. Oh crap. I mean, I gotta load it again. Alright. So, yeah, I'll eventually do a speed run. And most of the major glitches will be in that. Right here is just some of the little glitches. Yeah. Alright. So, next one. Iris Supercomputer. Alright. So, you should all know Monofsky. He had made a holoplane guide, and one day I was watching it and kind of trying out. This is a glitch he also did in his speed run. And right over there is where the holoplane piece is. He stands here and just air claws over there from here. But I had a problem with that. Here's what mine always did. So I don't know what's up with that. I don't know if you're supposed to press any other buttons or what. But so I kind of made a little, you could say, correction to it. If you ever have trouble, just follow this. Still need to get the holoplane piece over there. Kind of follow his guide on his holoplane guide. Just do this. Okay, land on here.